Oh, this is nice. I didn't even know you had the door open.
So what everybody rolling, man? What y'all asking, man? What you asking, big dog? Hey, come back, big dog. Tell me, big dog. Look.
Hold on. In my video, you dumb bitch. Back. Jamie Foxx. This is so funny. Hi. I like them, babe.
Chill out. Out Cali, you know, if you're in the DMV, you know the song, but
You have to hold it long.
look. My arm can only stretch so far with this jacket on. I don't know if I want to keep the jacket on or off because it's hot and it's cold at the same time. It's crazy right now. You know, we were smoking those, so we still got some Dodie in the purse. Oh, you know, we walking over the little bridge. Sometimes I be feeling like I'm about to fall. It's dirty like that, but I don't have faith in my left hand.
No, I do, yeah. Put that bitch to work.
I'll put that bitch to work.
Put that bitch to work, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.